This meeting is being recorded.
Problem 3 from Chapter 10 asks us to determine which hydrogen from this molecule, this 5-methylcyclopentadiene, would be abstracted, and then draw all 5 resonance structures of a resulting of these resulting radicals. So first, we have to determine which one of these protons would experience this homolytic bond cleavage. So this proton that is highlighted down here, that is a hidden hydrogen in our structure. This is an allylic proton, so this will be the one that would be removed, that would exhibit this homolytic bond cleavage, and we would have this resultant radical that would result down here. So we see where that methyl group is on that same carbon that it's bonded to. There is now a lone electron, a single electron, which gives us this radical structure. So in our first resonance structure that's shown, so this will be number 1 here, we see that radical site that we just mentioned at the top of our cyclopentadiene structure, and that with a single fishhook moves down to form the double bond that you see here, and then one of the electrons from this double bond also moves in to form this double bond up top in our second resonance structure. And then we see that the other electron involved in that double bond gets relocated down here. So now we have that new radical site. And this continues to move using 3 curved fishhook arrows, rather. We'll say 3 fishhook arrows are used to draw each of these resonance structures. And to go from each one to the other, you use a single fishhook to move your radical, and then you use 2 fishhooks to move the 2 electrons involved in the pi bond. So you would do this until you get to this last structure, and then hopefully you would realize if you tried to move this around in any way, we would regenerate one of the original structures that we've already drawn, one of the other 4 structures that are already indicated. So again, we've determined that the hydrogen right here on this molecule has been abstracted, and we formed our radical, and then using 3 fishhook arrows for each one, we've moved between these resonance structures.